Ever wondered why baboons have those bright, eye-catching behinds? Nope, it's not nature's way of giving them a permanent seat cushion or a fashion statement. Stick around to find out how their flashy butts are actually a key to survival and social drama worthy of a wildlife soap opera. Protecting the colorful primates. Understanding why baboons have brightly colored buttocks isn't just a fun dive into animal biology. It's crucial for their conservation. These primates play significant roles in their ecosystems, contributing to seed dispersal and the balance of local fauna. Unfortunately, habitat loss due to human encroachment and environmental changes threatens their populations. By appreciating the purpose behind these unique traits, conservationists can advocate more effectively for their protection. This awareness promotes the safeguarding of baboons and helps ensure the preservation of their natural habitats. Protecting them means maintaining the biodiversity that supports entire ecosystems. The flashy bums of baboons, in all their evolutionary glory, remind us that even the quirkiest aspects of nature hold essential roles in the broader tapestry of life. Cultural references and misconceptions. From ancient myths to modern cartoons, the colorful rear ends of baboons have captivated human imagination for centuries. Often depicted humorously, these vibrant traits have made their way into pop culture as quirky symbols of the wild. But behind the laughs lies a deep misunderstanding of their purpose. While humans might view them as amusing oddities, for baboons, these posteriors are a matter of survival and social order. Misconceptions abound, with some assuming that the color is due to dietary habits or even health issues, but the reality is rooted in biological signals of fertility and social status. By dispelling these myths, we deepen our understanding of how these animals function and can shift from seeing them as mere curiosities to appreciating their evolutionary and ecological importance. How did these traits develop? To unravel why baboons develop brightly colored buttocks, we turn to the principles of natural selection. Charles Darwin's theory of sexual selection provides a framework for understanding this peculiar trait. In the competition for mates, females with the most vivid and noticeable traits likely had an advantage, drawing the attention of the strongest and most desirable partners. This selective process led to a genetic predisposition for larger and more brightly colored swellings. The result? A population where these traits became the norm, boosting the reproductive success of females who flaunted them. Yet it's not all benefits. The evolutionary trade-off between attracting mates and the increased visibility to predators demonstrates nature's delicate balancing act, where reproductive success and survival exist in a continuous push and pull. Other primates with colorful posteriors. While baboons are the most famous for their flamboyant posteriors, they're not alone in this evolutionary spectacle. Other primates, such as mandrills and certain species of macaques, also boast colorful rear ends, though with varying patterns and intensities. Mandrills, in particular, take things to the extreme with not only their rainbow-like faces, but also their equally vibrant posteriors. The use of color across these species serves similar purposes, attracting mates, asserting social dominance, and signaling reproductive status. The existence of this trait in multiple primate species underscores its evolutionary importance and suggests that it has developed independently in different lineages as a successful reproductive strategy. A pain in the rear. Despite its advantages, having a brightly colored and swollen rear isn't all sunshine for female baboons. The swelling can become so pronounced that it hampers basic activities such as walking, sitting, or even grooming. It's nature's trade-off, an adaptation that attracts mates and helps ensure the continuation of the species, but can also impede daily functioning. Additionally, the vibrant color makes females more conspicuous, which isn't ideal when predators are lurking. These challenges highlight the complex balance that evolution strikes between benefits and costs. For baboons, the costs of this attention-grabbing trait are outweighed by the reproductive advantages it offers, ensuring its persistence through generations. Social hierarchies and status indicators. The role of the colorful posterior extends beyond mere attraction. In baboon troops, these displays contribute to social structures and hierarchies. Dominant females often exhibit more significant and pronounced swellings, which signal strength and a higher status within the troop. This visual cue can deter potential rivals, reduce conflicts, and maintain the social order among females. In essence, the swelling becomes a badge of rank, influencing interactions and the distribution of resources, such as food and grooming partners. This dual-purpose adaptation, signaling both fertility and social status, illustrates the complex social systems baboons maintain and the importance of visual communication within their societies. The role of swelling in mate selection. While the color of a female's posterior is important, size also plays a critical role in mate selection. In the world of baboons, bigger often means better. Males tend to prefer females with larger swellings as they are seen as indicators of higher fertility and good health. Field observations have shown that females with larger swellings often attract more attention from males and have better reproductive outcomes, making them more likely to secure the most desirable mates. This preference reinforces the trait through generations, as the most successful females pass on the genes that contribute to larger swellings, creating a feedback loop of attraction and selection. The emphasis on size highlights the nuances of sexual selection, where visual signals not only influence reproductive choices, but also impact the social dynamics within the troop. Ultimately, these preferences shape the genetic makeup of future generations, cementing the importance of these visual cues in baboon society and evolution. Signaling fertility and mating readiness. The primary reason behind these brightly colored posteriors is communication. In the dense and competitive world of a baboon troop, efficient communication is essential for maintaining social order and reproductive success. The vibrant display on a female's rear acts as a clear and unmistakable signal that she is fertile and ready to mate, immediately catching the attention of nearby males. This not only simplifies the search for a mate, but also reduces conflicts among males vying for attention, as they know precisely when to compete. It's a straightforward system. When the swelling is at its peak, it's game time, and every male in the troop takes note. This method of advertising fertility ensures that males are well aware of when to compete, saving energy and reducing unnecessary aggression when females are not in their fertile phase. By eliminating ambiguity, these visual cues help maintain harmony within the group and streamline the mating process, reinforcing the importance of timing and communication in the animal kingdom. What causes the bright colors? The dazzling color of a baboon's rear isn't just paint slapped on by nature. It's a complex interplay of hormones and physiology. When a female baboon approaches ovulation, her estrogen levels surge, leading to increased blood flow to the skin of the buttocks. This process causes the tissue to swell and take on its characteristic red or pink hue, drawing the attention of every male in sight. This swelling isn't random. It's timed perfectly with the peak of fertility, making it an accurate indicator for potential mates who rely on these visual cues. The hue, coupled with the size of the swelling, provides a reliable instinctual signal for reproductive status, a system so effective it has stood the test of time across millennia, shaping social and mating behaviors in the wild. The vibrant world of baboon backsides. Imagine walking through the African savanna, the sun beating down as you observe the wildlife around you. Suddenly, a flash of red catches your eye, and you realize it's not a flower or a fruit. It's the backside of a baboon. What may seem comical or even bizarre to humans is an essential feature in the life of baboons. Their brightly colored rear ends have a purpose that goes beyond aesthetics, serving as a means of communication, a signal for reproduction, and even a marker for social status. It's nature's way of sending messages without a sound, ensuring that everyone in the troop knows who's ready, who's powerful, and who demands respect. This journey into the world of baboon backsides reveals that nature's quirks are often its most ingenious adaptations, perfectly tailored for survival in the wild. Thanks for joining us on this colorful journey into the world of baboons. If you enjoyed learning something new today, Give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more fascinating animal insights. Don't forget to ring the bell so you never miss our wild adventures.